This Full HD video in my YouTube channel, Linux Mint 1080 Tutorials, will show you how to add Linux program icons to the desktop and to the panel. Audacity is a very good sound editing program. I will show you how to put an Audacity icon on the desktop. Option 1. Go down and left click on Menu. Up above, make sure All Applications is highlighted. Then scroll down the right column till you find Audacity. Right click on Audacity logo. You have 3 Add To options. This time I left clicked on Add to Desktop. As you can see, the Audacity icon is now on the desktop. I will now show an alternative method to put the Audacity icon on the desktop or on the panel. Again, left click on Menu. Up above in search bar, type Audacity. When Audacity logo appears, right click on it. Again, you have 3 Add To options. This time I left clicked on Add to Panel. As you can see now, the Audacity icon is also on the panel. Right click on the desktop, then go down and left click on Customize. I then centered the folder. I left clicked on the drop down arrow to see icon size options. Then left clicked on drop down arrow to change from vertical to horizontal. There are also options to sort the icons. I then left clicked on the blue link, Desktop Settings. There are options as to where you want the desktop icons to show. I didn't change anything in this desktop folder. So I left clicked on the green X's to close the 2 folders. In comments below is a link to how to use Audacity and to some of my previous Linux tutorials. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Linux Mint 1080 Tutorials, to be advised when Linux mouse pointer options is uploaded to YouTube. Linux is fun and free, so I hope you like it as much as me.